Welcome or welcome back to my channel. For today's video is i-share ko sa inyo yung aking minimalist skincare na currently ginagamit ko at nagustuhan ko rin naman talaga ito kahit na hindi naman siya ganun ka-pricey, but of course, naibibigay niya sa atin yung hinahanap natin na at least makakapag-glow up din naman tayo on a budget. And so without so much ado, please do keep on watching kung interesado kayo. Baka may makita kayo na gusto niyo ring itry. Then let's go. Papakita ko niya sa inyo. So ganito lang siya. So ito yung pinakalagayan ko. Ganyan lang kasimple at yan lang yung ginagamit ko currently. And so first is the cologne. So yung lagayan na to is from Bench pero hindi na Bench ang nakalagay nito. Ang laman nito is actually from Louis Pearl, yung red color. So favorite ko siya kasi ang bango talaga niya. Ganyan. Yung una, Louis cologne. So I prefer using just cologne in day-to-day basis. Like nagpe-perfume lang ako pag may mga special event, ganun. And then if magpe-perfume naman ako, on na budget pa rin, ito naman siya. So this is actually a perfume from Andrea's Secret in the scent of El Amor, El Amor, ganun. So ayan siya. And ang bango din nito. So hindi ako marunong mag-describe masyado ng mga scents, but for sure, mabango siya. Hindi naman tayo bibili ng mabaho, di ba? So, ayun, mura lang din to for just 100 plus something. Nabibili ko rin to sa Quezano Mall dito sa amin. And then, next up is our hair serum. So, I have this from Pen Shop. So, may pa hair serum na din si Pen Shop. And this is what I'm currently using. So, nilalagay ko siya sa aking buhok every after taking a bath. Ganun. So, may pa serum tayo ng ating buhok. Again, from Pen Shop for only 100 plus something. And may ganito din tayo, hand cream. Actually, pa-free lang ito dun sa lotion ko before na Shawil. Ano bang pag-pronounce nun? Shawil? Ganun. So, pa-freebie lang to. So, may mga ano din sila. Freebie na hand cream. So, of course, we have that. And next up is, again, from Maxi Peel. We have this from Maxi Peel. This is actually Maxi Peel Concealer Cream. But to be honest, hindi ko to masyadong ginagamit kasi every after right after using this product, I don't know kung bakit nagkaka-pimples ako. I don't know if it's just with the reaction, normal reaction, but since nagkaka-pimples ako, hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit. Minsan lang pag trip ko, ganun. So, concealer to, but I'm not fan of it. And then next is another Maxi Peel product. So, user na talaga ako ng Maxi Peel before pa, kasi mura lang siya. I love the effect sa aking face. Kita niyo naman wala akong masyadong pigyawat diyan. And ito yung nakakatulong. Ito bago to siya. Bago ko lang to nakita. I don't know if bagong labas nga ba siya. But just yesterday ko to nabili. Kasi ang usual kong ginagamit yung sa maliliit na bote na kulay green or blue ba yun, ganon. But yeah, meron na palang ganito. Astringent with niacinamide. 5% niacinamide. Now this is actually a Maxi Peel super whitening and it just whitens for 2 days as per claims dito, but I don't know if it's true, but this is beauty astringent. Ganun. And ang laman niya is actually 100 ml. So matagal ko nang gagamitin to. And so far, I'm loving using this product. So ito yung pinalit ko dun sa maliit nila na bote na nakalagay sa blue-green. Ganun. Next up is a deodorant from Nivea. Ito lang yung ginagamit ko. So mostly, nasa less than 100 lang yung mga product ko na to, but ang iba naman is 100 plus. So, wala akong tigpa 500 dito or more. So, mura lang talaga yung mga products na to. Very affordable na kayang-kaya ng mga mommies out there na nagpa-budget tulad ko. And for the panty liner, yung mumurahin lang din, but I'm satisfied with its performance naman. So, this is from Sisters. So, naka-individual to siya. Hindi siya tulad ng Carefree na naka-individual pack. Meron din namang naka-individual pack sa, I don't know if meron sa Sisters, but currently I'm using the ones with no individual packings. So, ayan lang yan siya. Mura lang din yan. And I have here our cotton. Yung cotton na ganito yung gusto ko talaga gamitin. Yung naka-individual siyang naka-flattened in a circle shape, ganun. And in the brand of Clean. And maganda siya, hindi siya yung parang naghihimbol-mol pag ina-apply mo siya sa mukha. And then I also have this, sabay ko itong binili kahapon. And I'm trying this out. Maganda din siya sa face. So far, hindi ako tinigyawat. And parang na-moisturize niya yung aking face. This is not a moisturizer, but it's just a cream. It says an anti-aging cream. I don't know if how effective this is, but yeah, this actually says that with mulberry root extract that brightens skin, reduces the look of wrinkles and fine lines. So, yeah, nakita ko lang din siya kahapon. I am just exploring new products in here. And then so far so good. This actually contains 7.5 grams lang. And I find this very useful and very handy. Na easy ko lang siyang isiksik sa aking small bags if I'll be bringing small bags. Ganito lang siya ka-handy and meron na siyang pa-cover jar na hindi siya mag-spill off sa ating mga bags if nabuksan. And then next up is a Johnson's baby powder. I seldom use this one. Hindi ako ma-powder na tao. So mostly is nagsa-sunscreen lang ako, and currently yung ginagamit kong sunscreen is from Hickory because it's actually easy to blend out with my skin tone. Even if I'm morena, pero nakakapag-blend out siya easily into my skin. That actually gives a glowy effect and tone up effect, ganun. But yeah, I seldom use this one. Mostly nilalagay ko lang siya sa likod ko if pinagpapawisan ako, ganun. Just to freshen up. So, ayun lang so far. But I also have this concealer cream in a pouch. Yung kanina kasi nasa tube siya, may pouch din ako. So, yeah, ibabalik ko lang yung mga products na meron tayo dito and goods. Okay na ako. Yun lang yung mga ginagamit ko talaga each day with my skin. So, those are just my skin routine. I mean, skincare so far. So, very budget friendly lang kasi yun lang yung ating kaya and hindi tayo pwede mag-exit sa ating budget. Ganun. So, yeah, I think that's it. Hope na nag-enjoy kayo and see you in my next one.